Hello and welcome to the great contest of emerging T10 Cup between Shooting Stars and Mavericks. Here is the captains of both teams. Captain won the toss. What you have been decided?
My team won and I took first.
No.
पिच चेक करके हम बताएंगे ना, पिच चेक करनी थी आपने बॉलिंग
You have decided to bowl. Why?
because weather is so hot, we like to bowl first.
Because of the sun.
Yes, inshallah ball
Sir?
will play.
Okay, thank you very much. What is your team?
एक दो तीन छह हैं.
क्या
मैं तो-
स्कोर इतना बैटिंग कर लेंगे? सूरज मसला नहीं करेगा? Thank you very much. The pressure of Mavericks is confident as he wins the toss. The skipper of Shooting Stars comes to bat with the experienced Shiraz on the running end.
स्टार्ट है
The Faizan
वो पीछे से चला जा
has to take a start from Mavericks. The sun is in the front of the batsman and it is very difficult to bat there. It is very smooth wicket and easy to bat. Here you go. The first ball. Oh, crushed
नजर नहीं आ रहा रे
and take single easily. Wow. Shiraz from Shooting Stars is on a strike now.
बॉलर नजर नहीं आ रहा
Faizan to Shiraz. Oh, right into the slot and not picking easily. And the sun is very near, straight to the eyes.
बॉलर नजर नहीं आ रहा
It is, if they manage to get 50 to 60 run, it is good. Another good delivery onto the legs in swing from Faizan. Wonderful bowling. The side is under pressure. There you go. Oh, slow delivery.
करना मैं
Shiraz does not knew anything about it. 1-2 without loss. Adnan, the skipper of Mavericks, comes to ball. Here you go. The third ball. How is over? Hold him. Clean him up with the beauty. Oh, does not know anything. What is that shot, Shiraz? It is not right for Shooting Star to lose wicket in power play. The experienced Ahsan has come to bat. He's a very great all-rounder and pressure manager. Oh, crunch on the offside, gets single easily. What a shot. Moin on strike now. They just looking for 50 to 60 runs total. It is good total according to their bowling. Skipper to scooper. Here he goes. Oh, good delivery. Touches on his legs.
आप अपनी बॉलिंग स्टैंड पे ठीक है.
Another shot, another good delivery, another dot ball. The pressure is on the Shooting Stars. Manage get single easily in order to take runs. Otherwise, it will be difficult game. It is straight, the ball is right onto the bat, no swing. Just play your natural games and get runs easily. Here you go. Abdullah to Ahsan. Oh, good delivery. Fast ball, bullseye. He is a very good pace, emerging bowler with a wonderful pace. And young. There you go. All the eyes of shooting stars are on Ehsan. And you can go another dribble, another side. Fast runnings. Oh, just no. Manages to get a single easily.
पीछे से जा
There is something with the score, then umpire checks. Abdullah Tamoin, no ball called, and that's going for single on the free hit. There you go. Mavericks just want to secure their score under 30-40 to chase easily, as they have played a lot of good innings in practice match. A short delivery. What a shot. Just get only for single. On the roof. What a shot. What a player he is at. Classical. Pace never hurts Ehsan. He's playing very well, getting single easily. Side change. Slow ball, push on the leg side, fast innings and getting easily. 3 over gone. 8 without loss. 8 for 1. There you go, here comes after the short break of Asad Prayer. After break. A catch and taken. Skipper guns. What is that? A youngster Zishan comes to bat. There you go, Adnan. Here is the debut of this young man. Adnan is bowling very well today. Another good delivery right into the Yorker, targeting to hit the stumps. He has no swing, no, but oh, past the stump, good delivery. Hit for 2. Oh, passing the stumps, very close. He wanted another. Oh, what? Just manage your natural game. Zishan, what are you doing? He's angry on someone. There you go, the last ball of this over. Hold him, clean him up with the beauty. That's Mavericks wanted. That's Skipper Duns once again. 3 wickets all. Wow. 4 over gone, 8 for 3 and Madden over. What a wonderful piece of bowling by Skipper. There you go, Faizan comes to ball again. Faizan to Ehsan, first ball. A new batter comes.
विकेट से साइड पे हो जा
His name is also Faizan. For delivery on the leg side, not getting any run. The pressure is all on both players.
वो आगे खड़ा है
A short delivery pulled on the leg side, not getting any run. It is a gully cricket man. You have to play it straight to get runs. What is in Ehsan mind? Wanted lap shot? No, just strokes really well.
अबे आगे देख के चला ले
Oh, push on the leg side this time. 4 ball dots. A great bowling by Ehsan. Ehsan
पीछे से
just played some big shot. Straight hit. Oh, 6. What a shot. It is not come on full to the bat, but manages for 6. A huge power from Ehsan. Manages to get over the line. There you go, the last ball of the innings. Wonderful batting by this young man. Playing sensibly. There you go, the last ball of the over.
बड़ा चाहिए
That is gigantic. That is huge. What a wonderful piece of striking that is. 2 sixes of the 2 balls, releasing the pressure from shooting stars. What a shot. Oh, an extra cover. Oh, beauty. Hassan played wonderfully. Saying someone to Junior. An emerging Faizan is on the strike. Abdullah, the pacer from Mavericks, comes
उधर नहीं
to attack.
तू उधर जाके देख ले
There you go. Abdullah to Faizan.
फिर मेरी मर्जी मैं हाथों ना हाथों
What a shot! But not getting any run. He's on the roof and he will get a 0 reward as well. 20 for 3. 5.1 over go. If they are manages to get 50 to 60 runs, that is a good total on this pitch. Oh! Aggression from Abdullah. A great short pitch delivery. Right into the shoulder. What a ball that is. What a cracking shot that is! It's gone all the way. Just look at the center. Wow, smashes. Huge blow from Faizan. What a wonderful shot on to the pace. Just lifted on the straight and gets on the line. 6. It's 26 now. There you go. Now another good shot and gets single easily.
फिर हट जा
Playing very gently both players.
तू क्या कह रहा है इधर आ जा
All the eyes of Mavericks are on both.
नोबल करवा दूं
वो
As
भी
a
करवाएगा।
little fellow is just left
बिना मैंने कहा
behind
खर्चा
Asadullah.
अच्छा
It's too little.
बालक
There you go, Abdullah. What a great full shot that is. Not getting any run.
इसकी मजाक है तेरे साथ मजाक है इसकी ये तेरा
Last ball of the over. Abdullah to Hassan.
फीफी
What a beautiful cracking shot and gets single easily. He's playing so beautifully. A great batsman. He's not in the form since past matches and now he's doing great with bat today. There you go. Adnan, well ball, well delivery, good length
कितना स्कोर है
and stops easily. There you go. Skipper to wise skipper. A good delivery push on the leg side. Want a single? No.
कल को आया ही नहीं
Adnan is bowling really well today. There you go once again. Push on the offside. On getting any run. 1-2. No. Mavericks is wanted another breakthrough. If it's not happen, then the game is very far away from them. Hold him, clean him up with another beautiful delivery. Right on the Yorker, and batsman does not know about anything. He does not play, just ball line to line and wicket to wicket and goes 4 wicket. He is man on fire today. He is in form. He has just started fast bowling and that's great. That's great. Oh, little fellow. Very little fellow from Shooting Stars. Come to bat. There you go. Oh, manages quite successfully. A little fellow said, wow.
बहुत देता है मेरे से
7 over gone. 29 per 4. Last wickets. Abdullah comes to ball again. Hassan just wanted to charges. As all fielders are inside the circle, they are late. Abdullah Taskan, there you go. Oh, strokes quite gently. The pressure is very well on Hassan. Abdullah passes umpire. Oh, beautiful shot, but not getting any run. Right into the emerging Saad. Is playing very well in practice match, showing classical batting. Another good shot in the gap. No, beautiful fielding by skipper. If it passes, it goes to the boundary. Oh, another good delivery. Another Yorker. Hassan wanted to freeze his arms. Oh, good delivery. What a delivery that is. Right into the legs. And lefty can't do anything about that ball. Wonderful delivery according to the situation. Wow. Oh, wanted to get big, but not getting any run. Ball gone. Skipper comes to ball again. Can he get Pfeiffer or not? A little fellow. Can he defend his wicket? And last over faced by Hassan.
30-40
Oh, good delivery. Not know anything about it. He's in pressure. He's in debut, but very strong player. Oh, just touches on his leg, pointing his leg. Hasadullah. A little fellow. Wow. Oh, ball him. Clean him up with a beauty. Pfeiffer for Adnan. Right onto the target. And Asad gons. Hassan is not happy with that. 29 all out, 30 to win. Can they defend 30 runs on that stuff? It is very difficult as the pitch is very straight and well to bat. A great blow from Mavericks and his skipper. Wonderful piece of batting and fielding by Mavericks. Here you go, skipper of Shooting Star to skipper of Mavericks. Wow, what a bouncer that is. His face is not far away from that delivery. Pace, aggression from Moin. Oh, what delivery, push on the leg side, not getting single easily. 2 ball, no run, 3rd ball of this over. Moin to skipper. Another good delivery, right on the face. He wants umpire to do no ball. No, it's not a no ball set by umpire. It's hurting Adnan. That's over the line. It's a no ball called by the umpire. Spirit, can he hit big to this ball? Can he defend Moin? There you go. Checking the no ball line umpire. Moin to Adnan. Oh, good delivery. Slide out Swinger. Swinger a miss. 4 ball, 1. 5th ball of this over. Oh, shot. Push on the offside. Not get any run on this stuff. Last ball of the over. Second last ball of this over. Oh, chance. No, it hasn't. It is in the gap and get run easily. Emerging Saad comes to bat. Moin wants some breakthrough. All Shooting Stars want some breakthrough. The fans of Moin want some breakthrough. If the wicket of skipper goes, then it is a very good match between these two teams. Who manages pressure would win. Would delivery or chance. What you can do about that? It is not nice fielding. All the eyes are on the shoulders of the Hassan. Can he do with ball also or not? Let's see that. Here you go, Hassan to the skipper of Mavericks. Very confident. Good delivery. Touches the stumps, but bell's not going off. And he's safe. Very lucky. Very lucky, Adnan. Here you go. Oh, another swing and miss. 2 ball. He wanted to finish early. Short delivery. Pass. Straight to the man. And gone. What a breakthrough that is by Hassan. Now it is the game is a 50-50 mode now. Very wonderful short delivery, slower one, and manages moving quite successfully on the boundary line. 2 for 1 now. Ahmed from Mavericks. Wise skipper to wise skipper now. Oh, beautiful bowling, slide out swinger, and the Yorker slot. He manages quite successfully. Hassan, want more. Oh, good delivery on the hip. And umpire said it's a no ball. It's another no ball and gets single easily. Can Mavericks done with 30 or not? Oh, good delivery. Wow, what a ball that is. Oh, out-swinging bouncer from Hassan to the young Saad. Oh, good delivery. Oh, it's on the roof, not getting any run. It's on the roof. Wonderful piece of bowling shown by Hassan, who is going to bowl third one. The skipper of Shooting Star is discussing with his players. Are they going with Moin or Faizan, the newcomer? Here you go, huge discussion between these two. They come. Why is the skipper told the skipper to come with Faizan? The ball is given to young Faizan. He is a left-handed. The in-swing comes from it. Can he to break through, or Mavericks wanna attack on them?
लाइन से आगे हूँ
That is desired. Short delivery, hit it hard and gone on the line. 6 runs by Ahmed, showing some speciality from him as a wise skipper. He has to take this responsibility and taking wonderfully. Another good delivery, push on the left side, gets single easily. Saad on his strike. Now pressure is released from Mavericks as after the breakthrough. Oh, slower one from Faizan, missed by Saad. He's not happy. He's not happy now.
ओए जा
Faizan to Saad. Shot and manages for 4. Huge blow. What a shot that is from Saad under pressure. It's a big over for Mavericks. Another good delivery and a shot. No, wide save. Oh, just no. Last ball, chance on the left side, not getting any run. Wise keeper stops. Over gone. 3 over 16 for 1. Wise skipper comes to ball again. He is red hot form now. After taking wicket, his confidence is on the sky. But the last over given to Faizan was a wrong decision by skipper of Shooting Stars. And he goes Hassan to Ahmed. Short delivery, chance. No, he's late. What are you doing, Moin? It is pressure game. You have to deal as a leader to take pressure gently. Short delivery right on the hips. A slight outswinger. He is not going to attack with pace. He's just bowling his line and length with swing and manages quite successfully Hassan. There you go. Short delivery. Ball on the left side. One single. Get single easily. The fielder are going not quite so well so far. It is a pressure game. We just seen that. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? They wanted to lift over as the fine leg is inside the circle. Oh, chance! Drops! Hassan drops! A huge blow from Saad. He said he's far. It's not far. He's there. He's in your hand. You have to take it. for your team, for you. Harry Hassan once again on the left side, not getting any run. Overgone for 17 for 1. There you go. Moin Ahmed can his keeper give breakthrough for his team. 13 requires from 36 deliveries. Oh, what a delivery that is! Passes through the stumps. A great swing bowling shown by these both two players from Shooting Star. Here you go, shot delivery, charge drops. Oh, put it down. It is simple. It is so simple. You have to take it. It's not 3 catches are drops since. Oh, what are you doing, Shooting Stars, Captain? Oh, good delivery. Not getting any run. This is very pressure game for Shooting Stars. You have to take calm. You have to stay calm, cool and calm. Ball well, shot, chance. Hassan, that's it. Bounce. Ever gone. A huge
उसको रेड जागा
relaxation for Shooting Stars as they manages to run out the skipper. Can it is the turning point of this game or not? Let's see that. Here you go, Moin to Saad. Oh, good delivery, wow. Passes through the bats. Very wonderful piece of bowling shown by Moin.
असद की टांग पे डाल रुको ना यहाँ पे चलो
There you go, Moin to Saad once again. Oh, what a delivery that is. Slight passes by the stumps. He is bowling very well, quite well. Maiden over comes from Moin. Now, 13 requires of 30 deliveries. Azan, a new man from Mavericks, comes to bat. Can he do or not? It is good for them to take single, not taking any pressure. Good delivery. Oh, chance! What he is doing? Zishan, you have to take that hit. It is the 4th chance given to the Mavericks. What is going on there? You have to take it. Oh. Why is his keeper? Can't believe that. It is a sitter dropped by Zishan. The field is just changed. Fazan is on the leg side now. Hassan to Saad, full toss on the roof, and you are get with 0 run only. There you go. A new ball from umpire to Hassan. There you go, Saad. Oh, what a shot. Oh, getting single easily. What a wonderful placement that is into the gap. And get single easily. It is a good game. It is a gentleman piece that they are showing both. Oh, another touch. A chance. No. What are you doing, man? It's a wicket or not? Shooting Stars are very much in pressure after losing the toss and losing their wickets. Only Ahsan, the one-man army, is fighting for his team. Oh, good delivery, stops and manages for single. Very wonderful running behind the wicket, between the wickets. Shiraz not doing so much with his bat today. The fast bowler want to bring his keeper up. Oh. All fielder are close to the batsman. Can they manage it? Oh, short ball into the gap and what two? No, not getting two. Overgone 21 for 2. Now 9 requires of 4 over 24. There you go, Moinchu Azan. They're doing left with singles. There you go. right into the slot and just touches and gets single easily into the hands of Moin. What can do you do about that one?
शिराज
Now just 8 requires
कितने ओवर हो गए?
of 23 deliveries.
स्कोर कितने हैं? क्या है ना ये?
Hassan has come on the offside to stop singles. Oh, chance! Another chance and gets the single from his hand. What is doing here?
दो मरतबा सीखा है ये।
It is
पहले
not
मोने ने
an
सीखा है।
easy as you like. The fielding is very poor, very poor. What a delivery and that single easily. What a shot that is. What a piece of running that is. Game awareness is very good from Maverick side and shooting stars is very poor.
कभी टारगेट पूरा नहीं होता हमारा बनाया हुआ।
Leave the stumps. No ball. No, not the no ball getting too easily. What a fine shot that is. What a fine blow. 1-3. No, only get 2. Moin to Saad. Saad is playing sensibly for his team with 9 runs on his 16 to 17 deliveries. Oh, what a delivery right into the feet of Saad. Out swinger just misses the stumps. Here you go, Moin to Saad. Oh, no ball called. The little fellow checked his feet. Umpire cut with his no ball. Free hit. Can Saad go for a biggie? 2 wins for his team. 3 requires. No bowling on the free hit. On free hit. 3 over. 3 requires. Last over 6 runs from Moin. Last over by Hassan. Can he take breakthrough or some magic? Oh, push on the leg side, getting single easily. Wow. The now 99% game is from
अबे वो नहीं हो रही। नो बॉल।
Hassan to Saad now. Oh, good delivery. What a delivery that is. Hassan to Saad once again. It's it over. Oh, so chance and drops from the hand. Moin. It's 6 or 7 chances given to Maverick side. It is not well for your side, shooting stars. There you go, lefty. Ball him and it's a no ball called. Wow. It is not well. They are very unlucky and poor fielding and batting as well. Short ball, shredded, lofted for handsome 6. A gentleman finish by Saad. Short delivery, pulls it. Bullseye, that's over. That's over. What a fine blow. 15 of 24. A sensible inning from Saad comes. Very wonderful batsman that is. Adnan, the man of the match of this match. And they are showing some gesture to each other. A sportsman spirit is showing. Mavericks ones at the end. Shooting stars plays Hassan quite successfully. 17 of 21 and Adnan with his bowling in 4 over just 5 runs and 2 run givens. And here you go with the bat. Saad Ahmed is doing very well and Hassan with the ball. Adnan is man of the match and 1.67 run rate of the Mavericks with a 2 point top the table. Now, thanks for watching.